Want to make a video file smaller without noticeably reducing its quality? HandBrake gives you several settings that can help balance file size and visual quality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress videos without losing quality in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to compress and wait for it to load. Before changing anything, check the original resolution, file size, and overall video quality. Next, open the Presets menu and choose a preset that matches your video's resolution and intended use. Starting with a suitable preset can give you a good balance between quality, file size, and encoding speed. Now open the Video tab and choose an efficient encoder. H.265, also known as HEVC, can often provide smaller files at similar visual quality compared with older codecs, although compatibility may vary. If you need maximum compatibility, H.264 can still be a practical choice. Next, look at the constant quality setting. Instead of targeting a specific file size, this lets HandBrake adjust the bitrate based on the complexity of each part of the video. Take a moment to choose a reasonable quality level. Lowering quality too much can create a smaller file, but you'll start seeing more compression artifacts. Now open the dimensions settings and make sure you're not using a higher resolution than you actually need. Reducing unnecessary resolution can significantly reduce file size. Keep the original frame rate when possible, because changing it unnecessarily can affect motion quality. Finally, review your audio, subtitles, output format, and destination. Then click Start Encode and wait for HandBrake to finish. So when it's done, compare the new file with the original. Check the file size, resolution, playback, and visual quality before deleting the source. And that's how to compress videos in HandBrake while keeping quality as high as possible. Use a suitable preset, choose an efficient encoder, use constant quality, avoid unnecessary resolution, and keep the source frame rate when possible. There's no way to make every video dramatically smaller with absolutely zero quality loss, but these settings can give you a very good balance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.